finally we get to the grammar. So we notice that we are starting these kinds of questions, conventions of standard English, okay? We start them around number 19. So that's, about half, right, of the questions are going to be grammar. On the old SAT, you would have a separate reading and grammar section. We don't have that anymore, right? We have just the one section of ELA. And so we have here we can't tell what kind of topic it is, right, beyond grammar, by just looking at the question. We can, however, determine that the real kind of more specific type of topic is subject-verb agreement. So on these, I don't really care if you write them under topic or write them under fact, right? The bottom line is you need to understand when a subject and a pronoun agree. They have to agree. If a subject is singular, then its subsequent, which means later, pronoun must also be singular, and same if the subject is plural. So my tool is really simple on this one. It's that you need to point back to the subject and match it so that we have both singular, both plural. Let's see what that means. Because this is a grammar problem, that's another good point I guess we can add is like with grammar, you really can read less. Okay, so just read less, right? I don't need to read before this because this is grammar, not content. So let's just read this and ignore this. Okay, for now, let's see if it works. For example, Japan achieved a 40% reduction in plastic bag use after cashiers were instructed to ask customers whether blank wanted a bag. Okay, well, whom is this referring to? It's the customers, right? And as soon as we can point back and say, well, it's the customers that we're referring to, we know right away that we have A.